start. As part of its plan to increase the literacy rate in the country, the government has decided that the students of the 10th, first and second year classes will teach one illiterate person each during the summer vacation. Full stop. The measure is to be implemented in cooperation with principals, headmasters, and head mistresses in order to step up the mass literacy campaign. Full stop. It constitutes one of the many schemes the government has formulated to banish the curse if illiteracy from the country. Full stop. The contours of the problem are well known. Full stop. In the last 37 years, the literacy rate has inched up from a paltry 17 to 26%, which means that 3 out of every 4 Pakistanis are illiterate. Full stop. The situation of the female population is worse. Full stop. The literacy rate among women is 13%, 5% for those in the rural areas. Full stop. Pakistan thus falls in the category of the least literate countries of the world. Full stop. There are many reasons for this, but a chief one is that we have not spared sufficient resources for this vital sector. Full stop. While some countries have been spending as much as 26% of their annual budget on education, we have never allocated more than 5% for the uplift of education. Full stop. The fifth plan allocation was a mere 3.6%. Full stop. Lack of resources has meant lack of school buildings, lack of teachers, and above all, lack of incentive for the pursuit of education. Full stop. Nor can we ignore the sociological factor. Full stop. There has been a general devaluation of education in the national scheme of things. Full stop. Many occupies the pride of place in the current scale of values. Full stop. The determinant of status in society is no more learning and scholarship, but the possession of material wealth. Full stop. For the average man, therefore, earning money is a more rewarding occupation than acquiring education. Full stop. Nevertheless, any mass literacy measure must make a beginning with the allocation of more resources to the sector. Full stop. This basic requirement the government is fully cognizant of. Full stop. The sixth plan has allocated 7% of its total funds for the education sector. Full stop. The development budget for education has been raised to rupees 1975 crore, a threefold rise as compared to the last plan. Full stop. Out of this, rupees 700 crore will be spent on primary education. Full stop.